Hello, welcome to Figure It Outy, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you just finished a tedious brake job and now you're losing your mind trying to put this caliper retaining clip back onto the caliper of your Volkswagen or Audi. It really is as simple as you think it should be, and you only need a hammer and a flat blade screwdriver. Tip number one is that this tab in the caliper retaining clip does not go in front of the clips on the back side of the brake pad. It doesn't go in this indentation. It doesn't push down on the tab. The tab on here needs to go into the hole provided by the back of the brake pad bracket. And this is how you do it. So first step, put on your PPE because
you'll shoot your eye out, kid.
Now take the clip and take the bottom edge of it and just push it pretty far into the caliper, and then put the tab just on the inside of the brake pad bracket right now. It's not going to pop into the slot yet, just put it on the inside. Now you'll take your screwdriver and put downward pressure prying against the caliper so that it bends to where it needs to be. And now we just slowly massage it into place. Just like that. Just make sure that the clip is fully seated. You want to hear a clicking noise and to see that the brake pad bracket has come around and it's wrapped around the front of the clip. You can also see that the tab is sticking through the bracket. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. If you want to find out more helpful information, please check out the rest of my channel.